did some bad things.
Don't.
We thought we were helping. Didn't work out that way.
You are the designated trigger, Jim.
It's the biggest mistake I ever made.
The unclaimed assassination has triggered violent confrontations and a growing humanitarian catastrophe.
Jim, why are you here?
Someone tried to kill me 3 days ago. The company, their clearinghouse.
You have to expose him. It's the one shot you got.
You're worried too much, Jim. The past is the past, my friend.
Our mission, it never happened. Is that clear?
That's the way you want to play it, Felix? With me?
We understand you have some information. You want to tell us where it is?
I have names, dates. I recorded virtually everything. I'm gonna throw it out where the world can see it.
Let the real hunt begin!
I can see the company's perspective. You're the last real threat on the table.
Then we've got nothing left to talk about.
He set me up. They're gonna try to kill all of us.